We have two girls, so each are in different teams.
Can you explain first the game
In Tagalog or English?
in English?
Ayun.
No, it's Japanese.
Today we're beginning to Okay, so this game is called Agawang Panyo in Tagalog. But in English, it's Agawang Panyo.
There's something wrong. It's not panyo.
Oh yeah, it's not Panyo because we don't have Panyo. Tito Jack gave Baby Ben Ben used clothes. Yeah, this is Agawan Baby Ben's dance clothes. Okay. So, I will divide you into two groups.
Simple lang yata yun. Sama na si Kuya. Nakita, bilis.
Mabilis.
Ay, may takbo.
Baka mag-binat siya.
Okay.
Luis, just watch because you will have, binat.
Okay.
So, so we have two teams, right? And, for example, we have this team, like this team. Okay, you will be assigned with your number, like you will be the 1, 2, 3. So the other team also have assigned designated number like 1, 2, 3 also. Okay? So you are like in that position, I'll be here. When I say one, the one and the one will go here and grab the baby bend clothes. Okay? But here's the twist. Okay, for example, pwede 1 and 1, go. Okay, when pwede grab it and Jason like touch Dave, they will get the point.
Yeah.
So it's not just about grabbing it. It's about maybe you let them grab it and then you touch it.
Dapat yata medyo malayo-layo para may space yung ano.
Touch it. Alright?
Parang kulang. 2, 4, 6. Ay, de, tama tang. Apat.
O, give 1,000 ng...
Yeah.
Oh, may premyo daw.
1,000 ng...
Wait! Alright.
Okay.
You should like pass this line to say that you dito ako. Ha? Layo pa? O sige. Oh, you move the line. You move the line. Guys, I have a twist. I can say 1 plus 1. So it's 2. Alright?
There's...
Oy, you assign.
Tang dito na. Ako na mag-ano. 1,000 yung premyo. Si Tatang?
120.
Get ready for the next battle.
Are you ready, Team A? Yeah. Oh, Team A pala dito. Team A, are you ready? Let me hear it. Are you ready? Team B, are you ready?
Siyempre.
Team A, are you ready? Team B, are you ready? This is just for testing, okay? 1.
Oh no! Mika! Mika, be careful! Ang lakas pala ni Ate Nico. Oh, athlete. Athlete talaga si Nicole eh.
If Michaela touch. Oh yeah, so there you get the point. You don't need to like when you like go here, you gotta make sure no one is like gonna touch. Okay? Oh, let's try the ball.
Do it. Gawin yung save to
Lalapit akong konti. Okay. 4. Oh my.
Ang bilis niya. Ang bilis ni Steve.
Okay, that's for testing lang, eh. That's for testing lang.
Yeah.
Oh, this is official. Guys, I can call like 1, 2. Meaning 1 and 2 will go here.
Ang hirap nito. Dapat pala malayo ako.
1 plus 1.
Ah, ganun. Ay, yari ka.
Help, one.
Oh, be careful! Sabi ko, mag-ingat eh. Tingnan nyo ang likod, baka may sugat.
Okay, who got the point? Okay, 1 point for you. Team B, 1 point. Okay. 3.
Ah, kasi kuya. Mahirap to laro na to.
2 points. 3, 4. Hey!
Magaling.
Nice try, you guys. Good job. 1, 2. Hey! 3 minus 1.
3 minus 1. Ang galing eh, no? Parehas na malakas yung ano?
Oh, dikit.
Oo.
Ang lawan. Ha? 10. 10, okay. Yeah, this is just very quick lang, okay? 1, 2.
1, 2. Oh. Go, Ben! Go, Ben!
4, 3, 2.
Mm.
Grabe yun, nagkagulo ho yung ano.
Oo.
Okay. 2 plus 2.
2 plus 4 or the 4. Mhm. Grabe ni Steve. Mhm.
Hey! Sino dito kayo?
Mhm. Nabulag. Hindi, naitsa niya yata, kuya.
Medyo mo na bago ka bawakan?
Hindi niya hawak yung ano eh.
Basta hindi hawak.
Hawak eh. Kasi pag nabitawan na niya, you cannot be like touch na, okay? You can go to touch you as long as you're not holding it. Okay? This is like a real, you guys are like
Tinalo yung football?
Yeah.
Tinalo yung football ah.
Tinalo football. Guys, how many points do you have? You got 4 and? Come on, number 2! Ay, team A! Wait now. Cheer up, come on, team A, let me hear you! Team B! Team B! Okay.
Ah, pwede pala yun. Mahirap ang laban, no?
4!
Ano yan?
What? 5? 1, 3, 4!
1, 3, 4. Lahat. Si Nate. Kanina tuwa-tuwa ako kay Neto, tumitili doon eh. Oh.
Galingan mo pa!
Hindi si Nathan, tumitili doon.
3 plus 1! Box out dito. Hey, go!
Oh no, it's okay.
Nice play, nice play.
Si Lolo.
Okay, 500 to. Our song.
Hindi.
500 pesos.
1,000 daw, sabi ni Lolo.
1,000 pala. Okay. 4-1.
Mhm. Oh no. Hello po.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Lahat na pala. Oh,
Oh, Noah, Noah. Oh, Noah. Oh, Noah.
Hoy. Si Kuya Noah pala yung nakakuha. Si Kuya. Nanunulak si Kuya. Oy, what happened, Kuya? Are you okay?
Usa na.
3-1.
Ah.
Jesse, go upstairs. Tingnan mo ako. Go, 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 go.
Okay.
Yan.
Oy, nasa na ba si Tito?
Nagbibigyan lang pala. Let's see. May Ryan, galing ka sakit.
Ano na lang, 2 rounds.
4, 3, 2.
4, 3, 2.
Grabe kayo kay Kuya. Grabe, dalawa sila mag-ano kay Steve.
Pwede yan. Two. Okay, one by one na.
Ah?
Okay.
See ya.
Ah?
Oh!
Mabilis din siya. Oy! Mm. Mm.
Charles, faster! Ay, tawag kayo dalawa.
Natumba. Natumba. Ang ganda ng laban. Parang one. Ha? Ginawad 2,000.
Separate game na yun. Dikit na eh. Yeah, bye, see you later.
Just cheer for your daddy. Go, daddy! Go, daddy! Ryan! Yay! You move backward, move backward. Move backward.
Move backward.
Ay! Panalo na pala. Iba ang laban ni Noah, tsaka ano yan, no? Si Nathan, yun ang match yung bilis nila.
Ayun na. Guys, congratulate the other team.
Oh. Ah, lapit daw yung mga nanalo.
Winner, come here.